Welcome to today's video. The streets are full of unexpected situations, and sometimes just a moment of carelessness can lead to serious consequences. Let's watch some intense traffic accidents and learn valuable lessons from them. Oh man, look carefully before crossing the street. Don't risk your life recklessly. Crash tests reveal the extent of destruction when a car collides head-on with a train carriage. A serious reminder: never gamble your life with a train. Always adhere to load limits when crossing bridges. Don't ignore warning signs, or the price to pay could be devastating. Crossing floodwaters is incredibly risky. Don't foolishly risk your life for a few minutes of haste. Maybe she just didn't want to wait in line and was eager to get home quickly. But sometimes, haste brings even bigger trouble. Always yield to trains. Slow down a bit in exchange for your own safety. The van driver failed to follow lane rules, and the outcome was truly unfortunate. A costly lesson on the dangers of reckless driving. Oh my gosh, was he really paying attention while driving at such high speed? Luckily, despite the crash, everyone was safe.
Holy moly!
A perfect 10 for the driver's reflexes, and a reminder to all parents: always keep a close eye on your children to prevent dangerous situations like this. Driving against traffic on the highway not only breaks the law, but also puts yourself and others in danger. And this is the price to pay: a serious accident that could have been avoided. A sudden lane change by the black car startled the gray car's driver, forcing an emergency brake and causing a loss of control. Oh my God, a narrow escape for everyone. Fortunately, all are safe. Always yield to police vehicles on duty. A small action with a big impact.
Chapter 3.11.
The car driver failed to check behind when making a U-turn, nearly causing a serious accident. Fortunately, the truck driver swerved just in time, preventing a tragic outcome. It seems like the driver wasn't paying attention, and the result was the car tipping over. A costly lesson in the importance of caution on the road. In just a moment of carelessness, the driver lost control of the steering wheel, causing the car to plow into a line of vehicles waiting at a red light.
Oh shit!
An unexpected accident beyond imagination. Fortunately, everyone in the car was safe. The inexperienced car driver's handling of the situation was clumsy, and the outcome couldn't have been more ridiculous. Hanoi Train Street Cafe, a thrilling and unique experience. Enjoy a cup of rich Vietnamese coffee just inches from passing trains. The vintage setting, heart-pounding moments, and stunning photo spots make this a must-visit destination for travelers seeking something extraordinary. A reckless attempt to cross the tracks as the train approached came at a steep price. One mistake could cost a life.
Shit.
Luckily, he noticed just in time and turned back, or the consequences could have been unimaginable. A disastrous mix-up of the accelerator and brake. Luckily, the guy walking by reacted in time and avoided the accident. A train in Belarus derailed, causing the rear half to switch to a different track. A moment full of surprise and danger. Thank God for protecting the motorcyclist. Luckily, he only suffered minor scratches. Traffic congestion forced a car to stop right on the tracks. A true nightmare. This is why we must always avoid stopping on railway crossings, because when a train comes, there's no second chance. The dashcam driver reacted incredibly fast to avoid the out-of-control car behind. Unfortunately, the vehicles ahead weren't as lucky. Oh my gosh. Multiple train cars derailed, creating a horrifying scene. Luckily, it wasn't a passenger train. Otherwise, the consequences could have been devastating. Just a moment of lost speed control led to a terrifying accident. Fortunately, no one was injured in the crash. Oh my God, did he not check before overtaking? What a dangerously risky situation. Oh my God. The driver failed to control their speed while cornering, leading to a regrettable outcome. This is a wake-up call for everyone. A breathtaking scene from the Biswa Ijtema Festival in Bangladesh. Overcrowded trains have become an inseparable part of this pilgrimage journey. While neither safe nor conventional, there's no denying the incredible skill of train drivers navigating under such conditions.